I'm Alan Fred Jones and I'm Chair of the Environment and Sustainability Committee here at the National Assembly of Wales, and we want to hear your views on fuel poverty and on energy efficiency. We do know that any family which spends more than 10% of its income on gas and electricity costs are suffering from fuel poverty. And the number of households in Wales which actually suffer from this may be as high as 1 in 3. And we also know that the elderly are particularly vulnerable. And we also know that this problem affects rural areas even worse than our urban areas. The Welsh Government is committed to eradicate fuel poverty and certainly to lessen the numbers of families and households which suffer from it. But we want to hear how effective their schemes, Arbed and Nest, have been over the past years. And if you've taken part in any one of those schemes, then we'd like to hear your views and your experiences. And if you have views on this, then please contact us. There is more information on our website, and you can contact us via Twitter or indeed through by emailing us. Your views will form an important part of the evidence that we will be gathering over the coming months in our inquiry.